Okay, welcome to the course. Chances are you've just completed the main course, Mastering Shear Force and Bending Moment Diagrams. So to avoid going over old ground, I won't go into the same level of detail on each solution. Instead, in this course, what we want to do is focus on the process of solving each question. And indeed, we want to develop your own level of structural intuition through practice. So, as I say, the objective here is to focus on the process, and the process of solving each of these questions is going to be the same in each case. What we're going to do first of all is determine the reactions for our structures. Then, when we've got our reactions, we're going to construct a shear force diagram by following the loads across the structure. The third step in the process is to use the information that's embedded within the shear force diagram to construct a qualitative bending moment diagram. And then once we've got that done, we can go and identify locations to make discrete cuts within the structure to identify the internal bending moment and essentially get the numerical values that we can tag on to our bending moment diagram. So, as always, to get the most value out of this course, you really have to try the questions yourself first before watching the videos. You should definitely not watch the videos first. So what I would suggest is for each question, go ahead, download the question PDF. You might even want to shut down your computer and then tackle that question without any distractions. So when you have a solution, log back in and download the solution PDF and check your answer against the solution. Now, if you've made a mistake, stop. Don't watch the video. Make sure you go back and you work out how you've made that mistake. And basically what you want to do is develop a solution that matches the solution that you've downloaded. Okay, and at that point, then go and watch the video and see if there are any extra nuggets of information that you can glean. Remember, the video is a last resort. The learning actually happens when you're sat there quietly on your own, working your way through a question without any distractions. The video is only something to go to after you've exhausted all other options. Okay, so that's enough from me. Crack on and work through those 10 questions, and I'll see you on the other side for a quick debrief.